Okay, this is Saturday morning, and just doing a little video shot here of the koi pond, specially built. Okay, so that's it. That's what it looks like out of our kitchen window, about this angle. Okay, and back up here, we'll get the yard. Raspberry, grapes, plum, asparagus, peaches, garlic, onions. And we got some new bushes coming on over here for butterfly bushes. And there's Buster grazing. He likes to eat grass like a cow. Alright, that's about it. Okay.